Hi, Mama. Hello. Wow, like ambulance. Mama. Mommy, what to say? Hi, Mommy. Oh, for what? Obapa na so mama munim. Unim me. Mene Dangote no. Yeah. Dangote me amini, Nigeria Dangote.
And I hope on to say no.
Cry to Mommy, see na me twa me to. Oh, me twa me to see here. Me twa, yeah, me twa me to me pia na me ho no. Oh, anyway. Yeah, I'm more than serious. Check. It's public toilet. Nice guy. My real cry, but who want to? No, so no, mommy, rush you.
Please.
Mommy, I need you. Me for what? Eh?
Open me.
Oh yeah.
Maybe I'll free PA. Open me. Oh, can I smell it no?
Oh, mommy.
Oh, Charlie.
Titi, only baby.
Disrespect me.
No, me disrespect you. Africa threat sanity. Oh, quite not you. But when you through, my pen should be moving me. I'll see a cabin. I'm not new junk of Monoso. What? Oh, yeah, guy, what?
Oh, yeah, day.
You got never. Hello? Afternoon.
Afternoon.
Are we busy? We are here.
Can you imagine? Me trying to send a rest to be friend me. Or friend me or permit. No bontority. If you have sent a PA.
Ah, Rasta go teacher.
Aye.
Hey, when the Jimisa Oba.
I have sent a PA.
Million members of for some way, a best more and help you with that. This the last month, what has over to start? A small Mrs. Rasta for your boss. What's that for? Rasta ni, Sabrini, someone, Omjomana, winning. Ya Brano. Maybe I'm a friend. Ben was saving money. But what a bomb book at the Rasta shit, my day. Really? Maybe what to find?
You was surrounding say.
Come back. Ha! Okay,
him too. Now, wait, Jamie. Oh, come on.